Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. क्या हाल चाल? Let's come straight to the topic, that how to speak eloquently and fluently on stage. कैसे लोगों को स्टेज फ्राइट नहीं होती, कैसे सब लोग इतना इजीली बोल देते हैं. कभी कोई टॉपिक मिलता है बोलने के लिए, नॉट इवन ऑन स्टेज, कभी ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है तब कैसे अपने पॉइंट्स रखें. एंड बिकॉज वी आर ऑन द जर्नी ऑफ लर्निंग इंग्लिश, तो इंग्लिश में कैसे अपनी बात को रखें. सो द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग इज स्पीक. दिस इज़ अ स्किल. इट्स जस्ट लाइक साइकिलिंग, इट्स जस्ट लाइक वॉकिंग, जस्ट लाइक टॉकिंग. तो आप जितना उस स्किल को प्रैक्टिस करोगे वो आप उसमें उतने एफर्टलेस होते जाओगे, आपको वो स्किल अच्छे से आती जाएगी. सेकेंड, गैदर सम वोकैबुलरी. अब अगर कोई चीज़ सीखनी है ना, तो हमारे पास कोई वर्ड बैंक होना चाहिए ना. वी मस्ट हैव सम enough amount of words so that we can use it while speaking. Otherwise we keep on searching for words, for alternatives. पहले तो basic words आने चाहिए and then gradually advance, have synonyms to replace those words so that your speaking looks more fluent and natural. Third point is have a framework. एक general framework अपने mind में रखिए कि कोई भी topic हो तो उसको उस framework में fit कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कोई भी टॉपिक है तो उसका एक इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, एंड देन सम एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस. अगर उस टॉपिक में एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं तो अगर डिस्क्रिप्टिव टॉपिक है देन यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब दैट टॉपिक. देन try to evolve the topic from the audience. Don't just jump straight away to the topic that today I'm going to speak on this topic and da 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 da. No. Try to evolve that topic to generate curiosity of the audience or the listeners. अपने टॉपिक का एक इंट्रोडक्शन देके, एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस, देन योर ओपिनियन, summarize and then leave an open-ended question or a takeaway for the audience. अब जैसे we can just think about any topic like food or junk food. Alright, now if we talk about junk food, do we just come straight to the topic and say, hello, I'm so and so, my name is this, I'm going to speak on the topic junk food, and then junk food is this, junk food is that, examples? No. Start the topic and say, what is food? Food is fuel for the body. It gives us energy to work, to survive, and to thrive well. There are different kinds of food. Some are healthy and some are not so healthy. We can generally broadly categorize it in. There are different kinds of food. Some are healthy and some are not so healthy. We can generally broadly categorize it into two categories: healthy food and junk food. What are healthy food? Those foods that are cooked in a home with cleanliness. They include the basic staple diet and include a balanced meal of fruits, salads, carbohydrates, vegetables, proteins, minerals and nutrients. They are cooked with a lot of love and care at home, and they have nutritive value. They provide energy to the body. On the other hand, what are junk food? Junk food are those food that are quick fixes, that are easy to make, that we can grab from a takeaway while we are in a hurry. Okay, so the examples of junk food can be burger, pizza, pasta, noodles, ready-made food which you can reheat and eat. Junk foods are very colorful and they are all around us. They are advertised very well on social media, on the newspaper and everywhere. And we get attracted towards those kind of foods. But do they contain any nutritive value? Are they nutritious for our body? No. they have very less or no nutrition in them. But can we do away with junk food? We cannot just take it away blindly from our diet. Why? Because sometimes we have some time crunch, we do not have time, but we need some energy. At that time, we can have a burger or anything which are quick fixes. But can they replace the healthy food? No, not at all. They can not and they should not, because we have to take care of our body. We are wise enough, we know the nutritive value of so many kind of food. We know what to put inside our body, because whatever we eat, we become like that. Healthy food makes our skin glow, makes us active and keep us energetic. Now I leave it to the audience, to the listeners. It is for them to decide whether they want to have good food, nutritious food, what they want to provide to their body, or they just want to stick around junk food. Okay, so this is the kind of speech that you can give, where the listeners have an introduction, they don't jump to the topic, then they have advantages and disadvantages of both the kinds of food. Can we totally do away with something? Then there's a takeaway that it's up to the listeners to decide what do they want to do. So always have a framework like this in your mind, and then try to fit in your points in that. You will have a lot of ease in putting up your thoughts. I think this much is enough for today. Let me know if this helps you. Bye-bye. Take care. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.